Hi, everybody. Scott Card here. And today I'd like to talk to you about purchasing your computer for the upcoming semester. Now, a lot of you are going to be thinking that because you're working in CAD, both with Proteus and AutoCAD, that you're going to need a good computer. And that is absolutely true. A computer that is able to process video and render images is absolutely essential. But one of the things to understand about the software that you're going to be running is how well it handles multi-threading or hyper-threading. And a lot of the processes that we're looking at, we don't need a lot of cores. Okay, but we do need a reasonably fast processing speed. So, 4 cores, 8 cores, that'll do you. Okay. But you definitely want to have something that is reasonably fast. Second thing is, whatever you choose, you want to have good video processing. And that's not, something that is typically found in gaming computers. Okay. So a gaming video card isn't necessarily going to be the best for rendering in CAD. And so in this case, if you have the ability to get something with a professional video card in it, like a Quattro, I would absolutely recommend it. The next thing is that everybody is, I can't say everybody, most people default to laptops. I want a laptop because it'll be convenient for me to carry around to classes. And I want to dispel some of that myth right away. So having a laptop is convenient, but having a big, powerful gaming laptop is not what you want. Okay. So a gaming computer is not suitable necessarily for doing work. And where you need these computers in the facility, if we're back in person, they're going to be provided to you. So having a laptop to take notes, to look something up on the internet, to do these kinds of things, absolutely recommended. But I wouldn't spend a lot of money on it. If I had a choice, I would spend the money on a PC, a proper PC with a pair or 3 monitors. The more, the merrier sort of thing. And, the reason being is that a PC is something that you can upgrade and build onto and expand over time. For example, the system that I'm running was state of the art 10 years ago, and it's still working reasonably well. It's showing its age and it is going to need to get replaced in the next year or two, but it can still run AutoCAD, can still run Proteus, can still do my video rendering, be it slowly. But for the most part, it does the trick. And one of the great things is that I can update as things come out and become more available. For example, I did upgrade the video card. So I put in, it's now 3 generations old. It's a Maxwell video card from NVIDIA Quattro series. But the price was right, and it's able to handle 4K reasonably well, but 1080p brilliantly. And so being able to swap out a video card at a later date when you have more budget is fantastic. Being able to upgrade the RAM, perfect. Right? Being able to put in more hard drives, awesome. Being able to pop in a bigger, faster processor, well, that means that you're probably running an AMD instead of an Intel, but, it's something that's available. And if you are really serious about your computing, you can even replace the video card or the motherboard and processor and upgrade that and keep the rest of your ancillaries. So if you do have a good video card, you can continue to use it with your hard drive and that's really hard to do with a laptop. The other thing with a gaming laptop is they are incredibly heavy. And so then you don't want to drag this thing around, or you don't want to have it susceptible to damage and theft. which is another great reason to have something like a Chromebook that is only a few $100s that you can take your notes on. All right. Hopefully this was helpful to you. Do consider purchasing from a professional shop instead of the big box stores. Big box stores will just try to sell you usually a gaming laptop because they're not maybe in the know the way that others would be in a professional setting. But do consider purchasing from a professional or building yourself a system. All right. Hope it was helpful. Do give this video a thumbs up if you like it. If not, your comments down below are appreciated. I'd love to hear from you. And have yourself a great day. All right. Bye now.